Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. I do apologize if I sound a little raspy. Your girl just got over a cold, so please forgive me. But today's video, in the spirit of doing all things new, I decided to go in and try to do some temporary acrylic nails using Nail Forms by Red Iguana. And I'm also using my Not Polished collection. I did purchase the entire Revenge X collection, and I also got this additional shade called Sweet Tooth. It's like a mint green color, kind of turquoisey, and I'm going to be going in with Role Play and Pull Up by Not Polished, as well as some clear just by Valentino, because that's the only clear that I have. So before I start, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you have not already, please make sure to follow me on Instagram @ Cassandra Olivia, and follow the link down below to vote for your girl to be on TV. That is major. I'm about to enter round 4, so that is super major. You guys have literally kept me in first place since day one. Much appreciated. So I can't thank you guys enough, okay? So first things first, I'm just going in. You guys just saw me pour some monomer in. I'm using the Not Polished monomer, and I'm also using the I forget what it's called. It was just on the screen, but it's the neutralizer. You drop it into the nail polish monomer, so that way it will neutralize the smell of the monomer. I don't know why I said nail polish, but your girl is just so hyped to get this video out. This is literally my first time ever doing nail forms on myself, so bear with me. It was a learning curve, but I felt like for my first time, I did pretty decent. If I had to rate myself, I would probably give it like a 3 out of 10, just because the shaping was a little off. The nails were like a little bit thicker, but again, I just wanted to show you guys literally me learning this, and then as I get better, we can go back, we can laugh, we can giggle, we can kiki, and we can literally see how far I've come. So I did this with my beauty career, and I figured why not do this with my nail journey as well, because nobody starts off perfect. And I feel like a lot of times we get on here and we get discouraged because we see these perfect sets, and it's like, I want to do that, but we all have to start somewhere. So humble beginnings, and I'm just here for it all. So I'm just going in with a little bit of monomer. I'm using this number 12 Kolinsky brush that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'm going in with the shade Sweet Tooth. This is the Not Polished colored acrylic. It is the 3-in-1, which means you can use it as acrylic or dip powder, which I think is super dope. So I think next month I'm actually going to go ahead and just purchase their dip powder polishes, their kit, so that way I can play around to see if the dip possibly is easier. But I am using some Nail Forms by Red Iguana, and I just went ahead, fitted that on my nails. I squeezed it back towards my thumb, like the crease of my thumb first, and then I just started to smooth it out towards the beginning, making sure that I had like a square shape. I knew I wanted to do square nails, and I wasn't quite sure how long I wanted to do these, but I figured let's try something new. So I did go down to the number 7 on these nail tips, and I figured if I just went down to number 7 on each nail tip, all of my nails would be nice and even. They'll pretty much be the same shape. Now, I will say with this, I wish I would have taken it down a little bit more, because when I did file, I believe one nail a little bit shorter than the rest. But again, it was literally just a learning curve. And I do apologize for this angle. This is my first time, again, trying to do nail forms, and I did not realize that my thumb sometimes was out of the frame. But you will be able to see what I'm doing on my other fingers, and I will just be sure to cut that out. But just bear with me. Your girl is still learning, okay? I'm learning something new every day. So I'm not perfect by any means, but this literally just motivated me to try to do this again, and it also motivated me to try to just practice, better angles and so on and so forth. So this is literally just the first that I'm putting out there, okay? I'm getting out of my comfort zone. So that's how the first nail went. I did the same thing to the second nail. Now I'm just going in with the shade. What shade is this? Hold on. I believe this one is the, it's Pull Up and Role Play. I'm not sure which one is which. I'm actually looking at the collection now. This one is Pull Up, and then the dark hot pink is Role Play. So I'm going in with Pull Up. I decided to do 2 nails with Sweet Tooth, 2 nails with Pull Up, and then 1 nail with the Role Play, just to play around to see how these would look. And I thought this would create a cute base for my set. But again, bear with me. And I mentioned in the beginning that these nails are temporary. The way that I was able to do these nails temporarily, one of my friends on Instagram messaged me a while back. I had mentioned how I wanted to do acrylic on my nails, but unfortunately due to my job, I can't have super long nails just because I can't function with them. But I want to be a baddie on the days that I'm off. So she recommended that I just go in with some cuticle oil, apply a layer of that on my nails, then go in with some top coat, put 2 layers of top coat on, curing in between each layer, and literally these nails popped off as soon as I was done. I will say that the only downside to doing that is when you do like the temporary nail method, you have to be really careful on how you file, because you can literally file these nails and they can pop off. So my middle finger actually popped off during filing, so I had to just go back in with some red iguana nail glue and glue it back on just so I can finish the tutorial. But guys, if you're doing this method, just be super careful. And I believe that once that middle nail popped off, I was so scared to file the rest of the nails, so I didn't really file them as perfectly as I could have. But again, just trying something new, and that was the nail glue that you just saw there. So I'm going in again with this Melody Susie nail drill. It is portable. I'm loving this nail drill because I can move it around. I don't have to plug it in. I can literally just move it however I need to. So once I was done doing these acrylic nails, I did wipe them off with some alcohol just to get any residual dust off. I also went in and I used my nail duster, and now I'm just going in with my red iguana file. I'm using the 180 100 grit nail file, and I'm also going in with the red iguana nail buffers as well. So my thought process was to e-file because my nails were a little thick, then go in and hand file, and then go back in and buff the nails as smooth as possible. And I thought this cute little rose duster was super cute. So this was pretty much how my nails came out. The shape seemed okay to me, but again, if you look at it up close, it was kind of jacked. But again, it's your girl first time, be easy. So now I'm going in with some white out nail polish, or White Addict by Nail Addict, and I am using this nail resin dish or plate to just put my nail polish on. And I'm thinking about doing just a curved nail and then having the white at the bottom. I am going ahead and using some Makartt nail art brushes just to start outlining my nails. I did get this set off of Amazon, and I will be sure to link everything that I'm using down below. So I'm just creating like my little U shape. I was struggling, and I'm just filling that in. I am going to cure it. This nail was a little bit lumpy, so I'm just going to finesse it by adding some stickers on the bottom to try to camouflage that just a little bit. So whenever I do nail designs, I don't typically have like a design in mind. I kind of just do what feels right, if that makes sense. So I am going in with the shade Dusk at Sea. If you guys watch my maniology video, I use the same shade on my mom's fingers. And I felt like this was a cute shade to go in with that turquoise shade Sweet Tooth that I have on my other nails. And I'm literally just trying to like marry all these colors together and do something kind of cute and funky. I had no idea what I was doing until I started doing it. I just kind of like wanted to freestyle and try something. So just sit here, watch a girl design my nails, and I am pretty much going to hop off of here. Thank you guys so much for listening to me rant. I'm really just trying to explain what I'm doing so that way as I get better, I can, reference back to these techniques and the things that I'm trying. I can learn from my mistakes. I can say, okay, do this, don't do that. So this is more so for me and my personal growth, but I do appreciate everybody for watching and for liking and commenting and just showing so much love as I start my nail journey. And I just can't wait to present you guys with more content. So I do have some more nail stamping videos. I also am going to be doing some dip nails on myself permanently, but I'm going to make them short, and I can't wait to try that. I actually have a dip set from Double Dip Nails that I can't wait to use, and then I also have a PR kit coming in for Model 1. So thank you just to everybody who has been believing in me and just sending me nail stuff. I am going to keep practicing until I get better. Your girl is off for the entire month of April, so I'm just going to use this month to mass record my content and basically just practice to get you guys out some bomb ass nail videos. Hopefully by the end of the month, your girl will be halfway decent. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you have not already, again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Follow your girl on Instagram because I do drop a lot of reels on Instagram that I don't post on YouTube, but I will start posting them on here now. And I hope everybody just has a wonderful and productive weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Peace.